How's it going, everyone? My name is Jeonex and welcome back to Geometry Dash. In this video we are going to be doing some building because I've not done it in a while. I've not done it in like 2 months or something like that. I did a speed build a while ago, but it's been a while and I've not actually built at all for about a month probably. I've just not been bothered recently. But yeah, today and in this video we're going to be doing a remix of ELECTROMAN Adventures, and I got this idea from a YouTuber called Souls Gaming, so you can go check out his video where he remixed Electrodynamics, and his remix was really cool. He just did like one section of the level, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be doing this ball part. So first things first, we're going to have to modernize this up a little bit, and we're going to do that by changing the background to a more modern one. We'll try this one. I don't really use it that much, but I don't know, I don't really like that one. I think I'll use this. Yeah, this one is always nice. And then we need to change the ground. I think I'll use the wooden sort of effect one. Alright then, so we now need to make a more modern block design. So basically what we're going to do is go to a completely new layer. This one hasn't been used anywhere, I don't think. So we need to trace the outlines of the blocks, just the layout, on top of it on a separate layer. So I'll be right back after I've done this. Alright, so I've now put a layout behind where all the blocks were, and I've also deleted the original blocks so I can put in my own block design, which is better and more modern. So I have a couple of ideas of what I want to do in this part. So I think I'm going to use these like moon rock blocks or whatever they are. I think they look like the moon, like the kind of stone you get there. How do I do this? I forgot how to build. It's been so long. Alright, so basically we want it like that. And then that's just going to go there, and then we'll have a different type of block around the outside. So maybe like these blocks maybe. So let's just put those in now, unless there's anything else that will be better. But no, I think those will be fine for now. And I think I'm going to put the outside ones in black. Just a second. Let me just randomly put them all around here. And there we go. So I'm going to select all these outside ones, and then I'm going to put those as a new colour. So yeah, just next 3, which is colour 4. And they're going to go sort of dark grey, nearly black. And they'll kind of fade into black and out of black every now and then in the level. Well, let me just put that as another colour as well. Okay, that will be something like that. I actually want to change the colours around, so this is colour 5, that's colour 4. There we go, that looks alright. I don't know whether that's going to work. And because the white bits are colour 1, yet they should fade from colour to colour. Well, that looks really awesome actually. But what I want to do is have some of these. So hopefully when I put these in, I'll colour them black, and they can go all around the edges of this part. So that'll give it a more deep sort of feeling of perspective and stuff like that. So it actually looks like it's got some decoration there now. And yeah, that's cool. I think I might actually put these parts. Yeah, they're currently colour 1, but I'm going to change those now. And yeah, while I'm doing this, I'm also going to change the layer so I can just access them easier. So these can go onto layer 2, something like that, and that'll be fine. And I also want to change their colour to light background as well as colour 1, so hopefully that'll look okay now. And yeah, it fades nicely between the colours. Maybe I could do this one as colour 1 and then that as light background. Would that look any better? No, it was better as it was before. Alright, so I've got a basic block design there. We could have some more stuff, maybe out of these detail stuff. Maybe some of these details, so like some grass blocks on the inside there. That should be coloured white, so I'll just create a new colour. And yeah, so I'll just litter these all around here. and hopefully that'll make it look a little bit more alive, a little bit more personality in there. So we'll colour these all number 7 so they fit in with the object colour.
I hate everything.
Alright, so I've now finished doing all of the block design in this section, so if we go ahead and play it, then it looks somewhat decent. And there we go. So that is the block design for this part. And before I've finished with it, there is a couple more things that I want to do, and one of those is, you see this little face thing here? I want to not so much remove it, but I want to make it look a little bit better and a little bit more modern. Alright, so I've just skipped ahead and I've finished making the head thing, the face, and I've, instead of using the normal eyes, I've gone ahead and used some fade blocks and stuff like that with the red orbs, and I think it looks alright. There is one problem, and that is that you can use the red orbs like that, but you usually just die, and that doesn't really matter. It's only for decoration, and I won't be making this into a full level, so that doesn't really matter. Alright, so the last thing that I wanted to do is make a custom background, and pretty much every level in 2.1 has one these days, so that's what I'm going to do with this, and I think it'll make it look a lot better. Yeah, I'm going to use these finger dash blocks, that's what I call them, but yeah, you can call them what you want, and yeah, I think I'm just going to copy and paste those, so we get a nice sort of column of them like that. And then what we can do is we can cheat by going here and going create edges. So there we go, it's just created the edges for us, so we don't even have to build it. And yeah, now we need to change the colour. Oh, I've got an idea. We could create a new colour, and it's going to be light grey, because if you use a light grey it can kind of blend with the background colours. So if I use 14 for both, it kind of blends in with the background. We could make that a little bit lighter, about there. Oh god, maybe not that white, because we had it too white before and we don't want that. But yeah, about that. We could take some opacity off it as well, just in case. And yeah, that's about right. So now we can go put that down here. We'll scale it up a little bit so it fills the whole screen. And yeah, we also want to put it on a new level, or on a new layer rather, just so it's easier to access and it doesn't get muddled up with all the other stuff. So there it goes. We can assign it to its own layer, not its own layer, its own group rather. You can tell I haven't built in a while because I'm getting everything muddled up and all that. So that was group 1. So we can get a move trigger for group 1, and how long should we do that for? We'll try 10 seconds at first and see what happens. So okay, that was way too fast, but I'm gonna put this up to like a minute, so 60 seconds, and see if that's any better. There we go, that's nice. That's just a nice speed. Oh, I accidentally did the red orb there and died, but it doesn't matter. So now we need to copy and paste the custom background thing, this whole column of blocks, and put it over here. So we'll just put it a couple ahead, and yeah, that's about right. So now if we go play that, it'll look pretty nice. and it's been really laggy for some reason. Hold on, here we go, and there we go. It looks a little bit bad. It looks a bit amateur. Yeah, look, it doesn't look the best, but it has been a rush level as I've not had a lot of time to make this video. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be back with another video very soon, hopefully. And I've been very busy at the minute, so that's why I've not been able to make a lot of videos. But yeah, so thanks for watching everyone. This has been Jeonex. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.